p.m. PDT. At 5:59 p.m. PDT, across the warned area. Up to 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Thunderstorms?
Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mountain Pass, Excelsior Mine Road, Chinston Road, and Yateswell Road.